Welcome to Bitrix 24. In this video, you'll learn a few things about the product, how it works, and what amazing things you can do with Bitrix 24. Getting to know a new product with a lot of features can feel like trying to launch a space shuttle without any instructions. But don't worry, Bitrix 24 isn't rocket science, and soon you'll be using it like a pro. Let's get started. First, let's learn how to invite all of your teammates and colleagues to your Bitrix 24 portal. You can add new users via email, SMS, or simply by sending them a direct link. All they have to do is follow the link and confirm their registration. To add a user, click on the Invite Users button and choose how you would like to invite them. The invitation process should be handled by one person, the administrator, who adds new users to the portal. This way, you can be sure none of your employees were left out or duplicated. Now that everyone's been invited, let's create a company structure for a better visual representation of the hierarchy in your organization. To do this, go to the Employees section of the menu and start adding departments and sub-departments, populating them with the respective employees. The interface is super intuitive. All you have to do is just drag and drop. Your team members are neatly organized, and it's time to start communicating with them. Bitrix 24 combines the functionality of a messaging service, social network, and video call service, so there are lots of ways to communicate with your team. First and foremost, it's our chats. You can create private and group chats to exchange text messages, links, images, videos, and other information. To create a new chat, just click on the icon and choose the type of chat you want to have. If a text message isn't enough, try a voice or video call. You can even set up video conferences with up to 12 participants. To call up a team member, just open their profile and choose how you want to reach them, voice or video. Bitrix 24 lets you stay in touch with all of your employees and reach them whenever and however you like. So working remotely has never been easier. Now that your team is able to communicate with each other, it's time to give them something to talk about. With Bitrix 24, creating tasks and projects is simple. You can create a standalone task and assign it to a person while also providing an additional description and the deadline. Start off by clicking on the New Task button. There you can define the roles, add subtasks, and enable task reminders. Once the task is finished, it will be automatically submitted for your approval. When you're dealing with a big long-term project, it's much easier to create a work group where you can assign multiple tasks to the project members and monitor their progress on the Gantt chart or Kanban board. To create a work group, click on the Create button on the Work Groups page menu and choose Private Work Group. Then, invite your team members to the group, define their roles, and start assigning right away. To coordinate the work on a project more efficiently and organize meetings and activities, you can use events in your own built-in calendar. Open the calendar and create a new event. Then, set the required parameters, duration, frequency, location, etc., and add the participating team members, and you're done. Last but not least, there is Activity Stream, a wonderful tool that will help you and your team members stay updated on the current project activities. Think of it as a simplified Facebook timeline. Your employees receive updates and notifications only on projects they're involved in, which keeps them focused and increases productivity. You don't need to set up the activity stream. After you've been invited to a Bitrix 24 portal, you'll start receiving updates and will be able to contribute by posting your own messages and comments, giving likes and emojis, and interacting with your team members. That's it for now. Follow these steps and you'll be pretty familiar with the basic Bitrix 24 functionality and will be ready to explore our more serious features like CRM, Contact Center, and Website Builder.